Something shifting in this room. Yeah, I remember when the weight was heavy on my soul. Felt like I was running, losing all control. Every step was tangled, every thought a fight, longing for the freedom, searching for the light. But a word was whispered, a truth began to rise. Saw a glimpse of breakthrough written in the skies. Oh, I feel the ground begin to shake, hear the sound of walls about to break.
Chains are broken,
Broken now,
walls are falling,
falling down.
every stronghold losing its grip.
It can't hold me.
Chains are broken,
Hear the sound
freedom's calling.
all around.
By the power of Jesus, I am truly free.
Oh,
Chains are broken.
no more hiding in the shadows of the past. This new season of my life is built to truly last. Every lie unraveling, every fear undone, standing in the victory that Christ has already won. I walk in power, I walk in brand new grace. There's no turning back now. I'm running in this race. Oh, I feel the ground begin to shake, hear the sound of walls about to break.
Chains are broken,
Broken now,
walls are falling,
falling down.
every stronghold
Losing its grip, it can't hold me.
chains are broken,
Hear the sound
freedom's calling.
all around.
By the power of Jesus, I am truly free.
Oh, chains are broken. Come on, declare it over your life. My mind is free. Yeah.
Chains are broken,
My heart is whole.
chains are broken,
My future bright.
chains are broken,
My soul set free.
chains are broken, chains are broken. Just a rhythm section for a beat.
Yes,
Just a
Lord.
rhythm section for a beat.
Yes,
Just
Lord.
a rhythm section for a beat.
Give the bride.
Just a rhythm for a beat. Yes, Lord.
Feel the shifting.
Just a rhythm section for a beat.
No more
Just a
bondage.
rhythm section for a beat.
Only
Just a
freedom.
rhythm section for a beat.
Yeah.
Chains are
Broken now,
walls are falling,
falling down,
every stronghold.
losing its grip. It can't hold me.
Chains are broken,
Hear the sound
freedom's calling.
all around.
By the power of Jesus, I am truly free.
Oh,
Chains are broken.
I'm free indeed.
I'm free indeed.
Absolutely free.
So free.
Hallelujah.